Okay, and moving on to our big box retail store.
This award will be handed out by Phil Oldcorn from Dual.
Phil Oldcorn from Dual, come join us on stage.
And on the short list we have Bricomarché, Carrefour, Intermarché, and Albi.
So Phil, welcome. Leave those girls alone. Welcome, how are you? Tell us a little bit about Dual and how did you make it here today?
Thanks, Craig. Shh. Thanks, Craig. We're an M&A insurer. Come and see me later. I'll be in the bar till 4. How good was that orphanage charity?
Yeah.
How good was that? Come on, we got to do more. Come on, you can do better than that. That orphanage charity was amazing. Now, listen. This is the first time in 12 years that Craig's asked me to do one of these. The last time was in Romania.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he got me, as you can see, I'm about 6'4", comfortably in my slippers. And he made me present the award with Miss Serbia, who was 6'10". And it did not end well, and it was on TV. So thanks, Craig. This is much better. Much more my...
You seemed okay with doing it back in Romania anyway.
Height. I meant height.
Yeah.
Height. Obviously height. Anyway. Big box retail. Carrefour.
So it's good to have you back. Yeah. Leave those girls alone. Yeah. Their fathers in the audience. Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words.
Thank you. This is a really important prize for us. So thank you a lot. We try to do the best for our customers. And for you, have a good night and a good evening. Thank you.
And come join us over here for a couple of photos.